Mabuhay, or in Kapampangan, luwid kayo. Today's question comes from Mark of Canada. Mark asks, Kuya Kirby, how many languages do they speak in the Philippines? Okay, so in many of my videos, I've always talked about the many diverse languages of the Philippines. So now I bet that many of you are like Mark, who is wondering exactly how many languages are there in the Philippines. Now, according to the most recent data from ethnologue.com, the Philippines today has a total of 185 languages. 185. So let's break it down. Out of the total of 185, 183 of them are considered to be living languages, while sadly, 2 are extinct. Now, from the 183 living languages, 175 of them are considered indigenous or native to the islands of the Philippines, while the other 8 are considered non-indigenous or not originally from the archipelago. And then, 39 of these languages are considered institutional or having some form of official use. 67 are developing, and 38 are vigorous, while unfortunately 28 of them are in trouble, and sadly 11 of them are dying. Yes, if we don't do anything about it, sooner or later we might just lose more than a few dozen languages forever. Now, the problem lies not in the number of languages, but in the laws and practices of the Philippines as a nation. For example, Kapampangan, one of my own mother tongues, today, despite being one of the top 8 languages in the Philippines, in Angeles City and in the province of Pampanga, the heartland of the Kapampangan society, the motherland of the Kapampangan people, many parents do not speak Kapampangan to their Kapampangan children. It's a sad reality that many Kapampangans today prefer to talk to their children in English or Tagalog, rather than teach them our own indigenous mother tongue. And if we don't do anything about it now, Kapampangan might just disappear forever. And when we stop speaking our mother tongues, when we stop passing it down to the next generation, we are literally losing grip of our own culture and identities, of our own unique heritage. Despite being languages of their own right, the non-Tagalog languages of the Philippines, such as Kapampangan, Cebuano, Ilocos, Waray, Bicolano, Tausug, Maranao, Aitamaganchi, Aitamagindi, Teduray, Itnig, Itawes, Ibanag, and many others, are demoted to just mere dialects of the national language called Filipino, which in turn is actually based from the Tagalog spoken in the capital city of Manila. From then till now, many schools in the Philippines actually forbid and sometimes even punish children from speaking native languages other than English or Filipino. And for me, that is one of the many reasons why, despite having a literacy rate of 95%, our people are somewhat detached from our own diverse indigenous roots and somewhat unaware of our own colorful cultures and unique heritage. While many developed and progressive countries around the world celebrate the value of being multilingual, the sad reality in the Philippines today is that our own beautiful, indigenous, diverse mother tongues are being neglected and dying. Now, once a language dies, what is buried is not just a simple set of words, a simple set of grammar rules or dictionaries, but we also lose thousands of years worth of cultural knowledge, of wisdom, of heritage that our own ancestors had passed down to us, that many of our ancestors had died fighting to protect our own unique identities. But luckily, there are those who are fighting hard to protect and preserve our own mother tongues and unique cultural heritage, such as Sinupan Sing Sing in Angeles City, an institution that I wholeheartedly support and always visit whenever I come home to the motherland. Now, luckily for me, I can still speak Kapampangan and Tagalog fluently, and I would still love to learn how to speak Pangasinan and Aitamagindi. So what about you? What are your mother tongues, and do you still speak them? Let me know in the comments below. And that is it for me today. If you like this video and learned a thing or two, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to help me make more videos like this, show your support and please be my patron or get a copy of my book, Dakalpong Salámat. See you next time where in Tagalog kita kits and in Kapampangan, Nikitix.